back here filming the box. He said, let me get on an episode of Cribs. I said, let's do it, man. He said, for real? I said, yep. So right here, guys, we right here. Where's he going, man? He's held the track down. I need a GPS for this.
Man, his ass
I'm glad I ain't the police.
though, like,
boy, if I was the police, I'd never fight this dude. I'd be like, man, where's that dude at? He's like Natalie Holloway. They hanging out together, man.
Hey, woo.
But right here, this is it. Right here, Bird Brown and his boy Messiah. We about to go do the episode of Trap Cribs. The first ever, guys. This is it. What's up? All right, Bird, we following you, man. Where's your crib? Which one's your crib? We following you.
Naked, bro. She in there naked.
It's all right. Throw a towel over her. Come on, man. Let's do this episode of Cribs. Why you playing?
We gonna give in a minute, though.
Come on, let's do it. Come on, let's see. You got whip and a crib. Come on, I know you got money, Dan. You just trying to show us your pocket a minute ago. Let's feel it. Let's get it.
What?
Let's count your pocket. Let me see. Woo, he got deep. Look at that deep. It go clear down to his ankle. It's deep ass
No, I
pocket.
keep a couple dollars on me, though.
Oh, keep a dollar?
I do.
Yeah?
I do keep a couple dollars. This.
Well, that's good. You better get in your pocket before it ain't yours no more. Because I tell you what, I got a silver tongue. That shit'll be mine real quick.
On my mom, girl, you gotta keep some dollars on you. Want me to tell you why?
All right, come on. Let's sit down. Me and you gonna talk, man. You got money? Let's talk. Come on. You gonna be broke when this conversation's over? Look at this.
I got Remy. What you want?
He got shot 4 times in the leg last night. Man, he walking the next day. You got shot 9 times?
9 times. One time.
Who told you they shot you 9 times?
What you? I'm showing you the bullet holes.
Well, holes still. Bullet holes. Look at this, man. Bird got shot 9 times.
Look.
Damn, what they shoot you with?
Look.
Is that on your elbow?
On my dead mama girl, I got shot 9 times at one time, man.
One time? Yeah. Why they shoot you? You talking smack?
I got ops.
Ops. Options?
Hell yeah, I got options.
Options what?
Hell
Option
yeah,
to buy?
what you think I'm
Option to sell? Option to lease? What is up, trappers? We are out here at Stonewall today. Check this out. We got the Pontiac behind us. This belongs to Bird Brown. Bird Brown. Kind of like Kid and Play. His name was Blade Brown. But this is Bird Brown. This is his whip. This is a Pontiac something. GXP. Trans Am. Something. He go start it. He says it runs. But then we're going to go inside and do the first episode of Trap Cribs. Trap Cribs. This is it. This is the spot right here, Bird. Bird Brown, everybody. Where you from, Bird?
Chi-town.
He's from Chicago. Where you at in Chicago you from? Ooh, it starts. It does run. You hear that? That's a come here, Bird.
Ain't nobody in there.
That's lukewarm start right there. You hear it?
Ain't nobody in there. That bitch start by itself.
Yeah?
That bitch clean. On my mama.
He said it's clean. On his mama. Did your mama clean it?
Hell yeah.
Damn, why you make her work like that?
Good.
Why you go clean her car? What's the matter with you? Bird Brown's crib. We about to go in here and do the first episode, Trap Cribs. Oh, look at this. And he's #1. He ain't even playing. He like Nelly. He's #1. Hey, he's #1. He ain't #2 like the pencil. Oh, hell no. He's #1 right here. Come on, Bird. Let's do this. Check this out. Oh, hi. How you doing? Bird's supposed to be down here in a minute. We're doing an episode of Cribs.
Nah, she naked. She naked.
She ain't naked. She's at the door.
Hey, he crazy. Let's do an episode of Crib. Oh,
Yeah.
You want to show me? You want to see my crib?
That's what you said. I can play the video back.
Man, my crib decked out. She naked. She naked.
Well, we can't put that on camera.
Hey, man.
All right, guys. I guess it's a no-go on the Cribs. Maybe, you know, maybe it's not set up like he says it is. It's all right, man. But you know what? I think maybe he's living like Eddie Murphy. And,
Oh, my mama, give me the-
what's the dude that was in Coming to America? Was it Arsenio Hall?
Man,
like Eddie Murphy and Arsenio Hall in Coming to America. That's how that place is set up.
Man, look, man.
If you guys seen that movie, you know what I'm talking about. If I get a chance, I'll find a clip to add into this video when we edit it. But I'm telling you, he said he's like Eddie Murphy in Arsenio Hall and Coming to America. That's what he said. I'm just whatever. So whatever. He wanted to do an episode of his Cribs. His woman said, no, it ain't going down. She kicked us out of there, shut the door. She said, no, it ain't happening. So sorry, guys. We was going to do it, but I guess not. We got to shut down. She said no. So that's what it is. Until then, guys, keep on trapping, and maybe we'll do another episode of Trap Cribs at a later time. Not today. Bird Brown said no from Chicago on his mama. She's naked in there, and we can't do it. And he keeps a couple dollars on him. So in case you see him, and you broke and you need a couple dollars, that fool's got some. Run up on him. Until the next clip, guys, keep on trapping. I'm going to talk to these guys and hang out and put this camera down. We'll see you in the next clip. Until then, guys, make sure to hit that like, share, subscribe, notification bell, all that good stuff, and keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.